scripted plays, scripted movements. Ne? You know, guys, I always tell you about scripted movements, scripted plays. Now, the ball is this side. You watch the right back, the right winger making a run. And then Paramisi-san, Famutu aba move. Then the right back is that side. And it's Famutu aba move. Okay, sharp. Then watch again. They played this side, that side again. Ne? But now it's too late. And now let's see what's gonna happen. Ipola, the Pirates. Scripted play, scripted movement. Last season, the Pirates used to do this from the right, from goalkeeper by Zalele on the left hand side. And it used to be vice versa. But now, watch again. Left center back, Bainga Kila, it's two of them. It used to happen last season on the left hand side, where you would find Uhoto on the left hand side. La Baingaki by two. Scripted movements, they give us scripted plays. One of the things that when you have a left-footed player who left center back, it's easy for him to play a diagonal pass, right? That's what Pirates miss when they play UCBC. UCBC can't play a diagonal pass. It is 2 against 1 this side. UCBC we won because by then I'm pushing. When UCBC plays, it should be a problem. Let me show you why it needs to be a problem. When the Pirates played Richards Bay last season, when they played 2-2, Richards Bay, what Richards Bay did, now they would allow UCBC to get the ball. So as soon as he gets the ball, the striker would move as a blocker the right side yakhe ukuthi angakhona ukuphasela goalkeeper or aphasele CM, because he's not left-footed and he doesn't like to use his left foot. He doesn't like to use his left foot and uthanda ukupusha ibhola, uthanda ukugijima nebhola ngene phakathi, which is, as a center back, if there's no space there, even if there's space, there's no need, just pass the ball, because mawul pusha uyasivala leso space leso. Angithi you are a center back, you are not a midfielder. Look what he does. Pushes the ball. Now, you push the ball, we are hitting that. Bayalithatha. We almost concede. Let me take it back. There's no need for him to push the ball. If you are going to play in that position, a left center back, maru khahlela ngo right, use your left foot, pass the ball. Yes, maybe kunzima ukuthi upasse a diagonal pass, ne? But ungangeni phakathi nendawo. It's one of the things that angazi uthanda why, because now look, 7-3 around you, 1, 2, 3, there's 3 players around you. There's no need for you to do that. That's why I need him. When you had Umbogazi, it was easy.